my goodness. Oh, there you go.
We had a great tour today with Godfrey.
Oh, did you really?
Yes, we did. We learned a lot.
Romeo and Juliet is Gullah, Geechee.
Gullah, Geechee.
So,
Gullah, Geechee.
was it a good experience?
It was a great experience.
great experience.
It was very enlightening. I learned so much.
My brother, the law. You have it on a whole nother level now. You are the law. And you understand your blood. The law, oh brother. You see, they not the law no more. No. With the blue lights on. No. Gullah, Ishi. We the law. We taking over, bro. And whatever you do, when you do it, I won't know about it because I know what the future is for us. We got next, the kingdom is ours. We are the law, the blood of the Most High. Gullah, Geechee, boy.
We the ones.
Oh, look at you, girl. Look at you, girl. We is the ones. We is real.
Yes.
We got next. Gullah, Geechee for real. Oh, my God.